Hi everyone. Let's take a look at the following example. For each function, identify the base function and describe the transformation. Graph the function and state the domain or range. So in the first part we have y equal to x minus 6 quantity square. So by inspection, you can tell that the base function or the parent function is going to be in the form of y equal to x squared. And the way we know this is the parent function is because of the transformation. So in the second part, it says describe the transformation. X minus 6 quantity square means you're going to be moving the graph to the right by 6 units. And you have to write this with the following language. Horizontal, translation, 6 units, right. So again, always think opposite when it comes to horizontal translation. X minus 6 means you're moving to the right by 6 units. Now, in terms of the mapping rule, the way you can think about this is xy is mapped into, since you're going to move it to the right by 6 units, this is going to be x plus 6, and y remains unchanged. Now, graph the function and state the domain and range. The way you want to think about this, if you like, you can always start with the base function. So in this case, again, I'm thinking y equal to x squared. And if you really look at it, the most basic case contains the following 5 points. So I'm going to set up a scale here for you, just like that. Now, in one color, I'm going to state y equal to x squared. So the base function is going to be 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 4. And likewise, on the other side, you have negative 1, 1 and negative 2, 4. So this is why I call the base function y equal to x squared. Now, if I go back to the same color, x minus 6 quantity square means you're moving it to the right by 6. So I'm taking those 5 points and I move it to the right by 6 units. And what you'll notice is the graph looks roughly speaking something like this. Now, of course, you can always label these points. So for example, you can label this point to be 6, 0. This would be 7, 1. This would be 5, 1. This would be 8, 4. And that's going to be 4, 4 respectively. Now, in terms of this domain or range, domain means all the possible x values. Remember, when it comes to y equal to x squared as a base function, or what you did back in grade 10 academic math, x is always an element of real numbers. Whether the function is opening up, opening down, any kind of transformation, the domain is always going to be x is an element of real numbers. On the other hand, the range is different. If you think about this specific function carefully, y is an element of real numbers such that y must be greater than or equal to 0. And again, we know that because the minimum y value is going to be 0. If you find this video meaningful, please consider to comment, like, share, and subscribe. I hope this makes sense.